YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for stopping by, checking me out. I am here with a quick little haul tonight, and this haul, I'm just so behind on my hauls, but anyway, I'm trying to get them up. I got this a couple weeks ago. I haven't even used it yet from Amazon, but this is just one of the Tabletops light box, so not expensive. But I haven't used it, but yeah. So I got that. Hopefully I will be able to use it soon. I mean, I could use it soon for these my haul videos, but I just haven't had a chance. Then I went over to Scrapbookcom to place an order. Well, before I do that, I also went to Walmart. I had to get a whole bunch of paper. Not a whole bunch of paper, but I needed some white cardstock, so I got a couple of packs of these. I use these to cut these up for my Avery L sleeves, and that's what I was doing this week. I was, last 2 weeks, organizing some, reorganized, because they already organized, but I was sorting them in different stuff. But then we need some of my dyes and stuff. And then I did pick up another pack of paper. God knows I didn't need it, and I shouldn't have. But it was double-sided. And, you know, it's color box, so it's not thick, but it was, you know, it's not cheap. It's cheap. So, especially for double-sided paper. I mean, it's less than $10, but let me, it's just a spring one. Okay, can I cut? So I can show you real quick. It's just some florals. Springy, bright colors. I guess I don't have a paper pad, I guess, for some of the color. Well, I have some of all these colors, but not the color combinations like on these together and stuff like that. Some of those floral prints. So it's a Hawaiian feel. I have not been to Hawaii. I would love to go, but I know now can't go over there now. She's vaccinated. My daughter has been like 3 times. I would love to have been. My coworker just went for spring break. She loved it, but she ended up falling, hurting herself, but she still had a ball. Anyway, the rest of this is from Scrapbookcom. One of the things I love about Scrapbookcom is that you can get freebies, and so they had texted me to let me know that one of my stamps was in, and they had this free paper. If you wanted it, if you ordered it within 2 days of them texting you, you know, you get extra goodies. So I missed the stamp set. They had a stamp set they texted me about. But anyway, so this is 5 different colors. No, 5 sheets of each color, excuse me. It's 40 sheets, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I count? You can divide. Never mind. But it's 85 pound or 210 GSM. So nice little card fronts, because it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this is A2 size paper. So you already got your card fronts right there. Already got some nice colors, and cannot beat that. You know, so you got your pinks and your greens for free. Boom. Thank you. I did pick up this die set. It was on clearance, but it was just another to put in my stash to have another bag topper die. So it was over 50% off. I think it was like $6 and some change. Yeah, $5.79 or $6.79, something like that. But it was regular $16.99, something like that. But anyway, so I got it. It was on clearance. And then this is really what I was getting. It was this die set. I know Lisa got hers already, Miss Little Scrappy. Mine just finally came in because I was sitting there waiting. I had it in my cart and sitting there waiting till it got to it, almost gone again. But anyway, I finally got it. So it says, "You are nothing short of amazing. You are my greatest gift. You are loved for the little girl you were, for the special woman you are, and for the precious daughter you will always be." Isn't that beautiful for a mother-daughter card? I am proud of many things in my life, but being your mom beats everything. Daughters are like flowers. They fill the world with beauty. What is this? A mom is a life. What? A mom is a lifelong friend. A daughter is a miracle that never ceases to be miraculous. But I love her big curly hair. I love that. So, yeah. You don't get too many. I love it, and I love the perspective. She's like, her face is chopped off, so she's on the edge. I kind of like that too. So, it gives you a different edge perspective, and it's called Nothing Short of Amazing. And this is our picket fence. So I got that. And then it just put some little advertisements in here as well. Now, this, I got this paper. I really wish it was a 12 by 12. Oh, I wish it was a 12 by 12. But this is Australian paper, Paper Rose. And Christy Marcotte, if I said her last name right, you know, she does all the cards and stuff. Like, she takes a pad of paper, make the cards. And she did this a couple of months ago. And this has been out. I was waiting for it to come in. So both of these have been, I was waiting. I had this in my cart waiting, and then this went out. And then this was out, and then this came in, and then that one, then I had to wait for this one to come back in. So I had to wait to press my order because I was waiting on, I didn't keep paying shipping because I had so many different things that I was waiting to come in. But anyway, this one finally came in. Christy Marcotte did a whole series on masculine cards, and with this paper, oh, I fell in love with it. I like industrial type stuff. I remember in high school I took drafting. I was going to be an architect. God knows, I wish I had went that way. But anyway, I changed my mind. I wanted to help people. But I should have went into architects because I love buildings. I love gears and just, I love that kind of stuff. But I say that she made these cards. And I guess I've raised so many boys that, you know, what I see in the scrapbook world, because everything is paper. I mean, you know, frilly and girly, which I love too now. I love my girly stuff. But, you know, so when I see something though that is a nice masculine print or geometric, you know, I love that. So she made some wonderful cards out of them, and I just said, oh, I have to have that paper. I want to make those same kind of cards she did. Of course, these are A2 size. They're not our, A5 sizes. So they're not our standard size when we think about making cards and stuff, which is, I always forget the A5. I think it's 5x7. It's 5x7. Nope, it is 5 and 3. Where am I? Can you see? 5 and 5.75 and 8.5. 8.5. Or 8.25. Excuse me, 8.25. So, you know, it's not our size in America, but she made some beautiful cards out of it, and I would love to do the same. But I would, if this had been a 12 by 12, I would have did a whole scrapbook layout with these. But anyway, I would make some cards out of these because I just think these are just, I don't know. For those of you who just sometimes want to break from just seeing girly stuff, plus the photographer in me, like I love this. When I was taking a photography class, we had to learn how to find abstract and make your pictures abstract like this, which is so way cool. You would think making abstract is easy, but it's not always. It can be very hard. But I love doing that. My sister and I used to do that in our photography class, making abstract stuff, and we had to do some masculine stuff in there. It's so fun. But anyway, I also did get my little, I got one. I didn't get my other ones yet, but I got this one for the Cricut, the Magic Mat, and I didn't get my one for my Big Shot Plus or for my Gemini. I had the big Gemini, but I did get this one, that because I still have plates for the other one, but I needed something for that Cricut. I mean, a Cutterbug, excuse me, Cutterbug. And then, of course, I got another magazine because I ordered, like, right behind my other order. Even though it was within the same month, they were a couple of weeks apart. So, yeah, I'm going to keep this, and this is spring 2021. So what I'm going to do with this one, since I have an extra one, I will probably gift it if the box is big enough to get in there, one of my giveaways. So, anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.